6:30 in the morning. Pedal down, key on. Yep, 6:30 in the morning. What am I doing at 6:30 in the morning? I could be driving my Corvair or a Suburban. But no, we're heading off to go cross-country skiing, and there's a swap meet. And I gotta go there. Snow brush. Snow brush. Definitely need one of these. It snowed. Having a snowstorm, a stupid North Country snowstorm. Can't stand the weather, head to Palm Springs, California. Gonna be a cold cranker up in a minute. This thing's amazing, no matter how cold it is. Glow plugs for 10 seconds, and off she goes. That windshield wiper's gonna fly off. Bracket broken. Having a snowstorm. Another snowstorm. Oh yeah. Gotta do the count. Everything's all primed up. As soon as I put on the glow plugs, which you can't see. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Should have left the door open. Cold cranker up! Yeah, just a little bit more. She's kicking, just like a gas engine. 1001, you can hear the click, you know where I am. 1005, 1000, good enough. The cold cranker up! Yep. She loves to run. Woo! What a stink. She loves to run. I gotta go upstairs and turn their hot water on. They're coming back from Christmas vacation. Don't stall. She never stalls. Too bad everything else is junk on her, except the engine and tranny. All right, well, the snow stopped. How do you like that? While I was driving, I noticed it roaring a lot. Diesels run at full throttle all the time. So I thought maybe the air cleaner was loose or something. So, but watch this. Watch something I noticed. When I block the intake, remember, diesels run at full throttle all the time. Watch this. Interesting, huh? So I wonder if the screws are loose. A little bit. Yep. I'm going to stick this hose on. This bottle used to be somewhere else, I forget. Some of them have the bottle, the newer ones have the bottle here. It's better than over here because you can't see the level. Oh, doesn't fit, see? Too long. But I was hearing intake noise. Whoop, whoop. Kind of annoying. Every time I accelerate. Whoop, whoop. off, turn it off. Oh, unbelievable. I've never heard such a thing in my life. Just trying to put a hose on. All right, I'm done.
Put your dirty jacket.
Dirty, dirty.
Not the
At least the snow stopped. You look very nice.
Yeah, very.
Time to go for a road trip.
Yeah.